Hi guys, my name is Bas and welcome to episode number 24 of my RStudio tutorials here on YouTube. So today we're gonna have another look at moderation for multiple linear regression. And I strongly recommend watching episode 23 first because it explains the theory. And today we're gonna take a look at how to actually make calculations with the outcomes in R. So we're still using this model. It is from job to income. So if your job increases with 1, the job is in tiers, so if your job tier increases, then your income also increases. And for women, this effect was 18,000, but we found out that the interaction variable was 4,000, so that means that the main effect from independent to dependent is 22,000 for men, because it's 18,000 plus the 4,000 is 22,000 for men. If you want to know how we got to these answers, then please rewatch episode 23 because it explains everything. So this is the interaction model which we're still taking a look at. And if we take a look at the values we had, you could find them over here in our coefficients table. And it's the intercept is 2,000, the slope of job is 18,000, the slope of gender is minus 9,000, and the slope of moderator of the interaction variable is 4,000. And that means that if we have if you take a look at the formula, then it's y is b0 plus x1 times b1 plus x2 times b2 plus x1 times x2 times b3. And that sounds really difficult, but actually it's not. Let's make it a little bit more concrete. Y is always the dependent variable. The B0 means the intercept. So the dependent variable is intercept plus what you fill in for the first independent variable times the slope of the first independent variable plus what you fill in for the moderator times the slope of the moderator plus what you fill in for the independent variable again times what you fill in for the moderator again times the slope of the interaction variable. And in this case, the dependent is income. So income is the intercept, which is, if we look at our R model, our intercept was 2,000. So our intercept is going to be income. Income is 2,000. Plus what you fill in for job times the slope of job, and the slope of job was, if we take a look, 18,000 plus what we fill in for gender times the regression value of gender was minus 9,000. This one, minus 9,000, plus what you fill in for job, times what you fill in for gender, times the slope of the interaction variable, and that is, in this case, if we go to R, 4,000, times 4,000. And let's make them a tiny bit smaller. So your income, so the dependent variable, is the slope of the constant, so of the intercept, which is 2,000, plus what you fill in for job times the slope of job, which is 18,000, plus what you fill in for gender times the slope of gender, which is minus 9,000, plus what you fill in for job again, times what you fill in for gender again, times 4,000. So in this case, if we have a woman who is in job tier 2, then your income equals 2,000 as the intercept plus job tier 2 times 18,000 plus, if she's a woman, then the gender is 0 times minus 9,000 plus what we fill in for job is again 2 times the gender again is 0 times 4,000. And if you fill this into your calculator, 2,000 plus 36,000 is 38,000, plus 0 times minus 9,000 plus 2 times 0 times 4,000 equals 38,000. So a woman with gender 0 who is in job tier 2 has an income of 38,000. If we are going to take a look at the man who's in job tier 4, then income equals 2,000 plus job tier 4 times 18,000 plus gender 1 times minus 9,000 plus job tier 4 times gender 1 times 4,000 equals, and for this I do need my calculator, equals 81,000 euros. So this is how you can use the formula of a moderation regression. So it starts off really difficult as y is b blah 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 x blah 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 blah, but eventually it gets really concrete and it shows you that your dependent is the intercept times the job, etc, etc. So it's actually not that hard. So I hope that this video was useful to you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. And for now, if this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And for now guys, I see you on the next tutorial. Ciao.